Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. Today, we're excited to share some incredible news about a game-changing electric vehicle factory that's now open in Georgia. Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America, the largest economic development project in the history of Georgia, has finally broken ground after 2.5 years of construction. This massive facility is expected to produce up to 500,000 Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis electric and hybrid vehicles a year. That's right, 500,000. And it's not just about the vehicles. This factory will also be producing millions of batteries. Now, let's dive into some fascinating facts about this project. Hyundai Motor Group invested a whopping $12.6 billion to build this plant, making it the largest single investment in Georgia's history. That's a significant boost to the local economy, and we're talking massive jobs. Over 570,000 American jobs have been created by Hyundai Motor Group since they first came to the U.S. And with Metaplant America alone, that number is expected to reach nearly 40,000 direct and indirect jobs by 2031. Governor Kemp had a lot to say about this project during the grand opening ceremony, emphasizing the importance of partnerships between job creators like Hyundai Motor Group and the state's universities and technical colleges. He also highlighted the company's commitment to creating an award-winning infrastructure that connects them to markets around the nation and globe. It's worth noting that this project has been years in the making. HMG entered into a landmark agreement with the state of Georgia back in May 2022, and within 4 months, they broke ground on the project. By October 3, 2024, the first vehicle, a Hyundai Ioniq 5, rolled off the assembly line, marking a new era for Hyundai's U.S. operations. We also have some exciting updates on what's coming next. Kia models will start production at this facility in 2026, and by 2031, HMGMA is expected to be producing over 8,500 jobs. And did you know that the site already features a 5.2 megawatt solar parking lot? That's right. 1,878 parking spaces have solar panels above them, showing just how big this factory is. Now, let's not forget about the impact on local communities and employees' quality of life. The company has promised various outdoor amenities, including trails, running tracks, sports fields, and picnic areas, to help Meta pros enjoy their work environment before or after a shift. It's all about creating a comfortable and welcoming workspace for these Metaplant employees. In conclusion, the grand opening of Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America is an exciting milestone in the electric vehicle revolution. This massive factory will not only produce millions of vehicles, but also contribute significantly to the U.S. economy. We'll be keeping a close eye on this project's progress and updates. Stay tuned for more news from ElectroDrive News.